Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, beloved Huzur.
Waalaikum
My name is Hibbatul Waris Sudari. My question is, once in conversation with my friends, I told them that it is written in the Holy Quran, Allah did not create anything in vain. Then they asked me, so why did God create annoying creatures like lizards and cockroaches? At that time, I didn't know what to say. Beloved Huzur, please guide me how I may give a satisfactory answer to my friends.
Acha. As you have said, Allah has not created anything in vain, useless. Nothing is useless. Even scorpion is used for making medicine. Huh? Whenever you get any disease which is because of the poison, then scorpion medicine is used for that. Even a medicine is also made from snakes. For instance, those who have hay fever or pollen allergy, for them lachesis is the homeopathic medicine which is used for the treatment. And lachesis is also made from the poison of a snake. Some medicines are made from the insects and some other creatures which we think are useless, but they are good for heart diseases. Even lachesis is also used in the heart diseases. So there are quite a number of things which we do not know what is the purpose of them, of those things. But Allah has created everything for some purpose. And none of His creature is useless. Or you cannot say they are just Allah Ta'ala has created them for nothing. They are all useful for humankind. Some of them, sometime, although are they dangerous, but at the same time, they are useful. One of your boy asked me why Allah Ta'ala created dinosaur and then it vanished after some time. So I told him that now you are using the fossil fuel from the old animals and dinosaur and all of those things. So you can tell your friend, Allah has created everything for the betterment of humankind, for the best use of those creatures for good of the human being. Right?
Yes, Jazakumullah, beloved Huzur.